Hello dear students, I'm very glad to see you again. The topic of our today's lesson is a biography. And today we are going to learn new vocabulary, learn the elements of biography and learn how to write a biography. But before students, let's do the revision task. Here you need to guess the book genres. Listen to the descriptions carefully and guess. A. The story of a person's life told by someone else. It is a biography. B. A story that originally told rather than written. It is a folk tale. C. A fiction story that often includes witches, royalty, giants, fairies, or other magical creatures. Often things occur in threes. This is a fairy tale. And D. A story in which science is used to create an extraordinary plot. It is a science fiction story. Well done, children. Before learning how to write biographies, let's listen to the biography of Abraham Lincoln. Students, what do you know about this historical figure? That's right, Abraham Lincoln was an American president. Students, before doing the listening task, please pay attention to the words below. 19, the age of 52, 1836, the next day, to this day, on 14th April, 1809. Listen and fill in the gaps.
Abraham Lincoln was an American president. He was born in a farmhouse in Kentucky on the 12th of February, 1809. When he was a child, Abraham loved reading and learning new things. When Abraham was 19, he left the farm. He worked during the day and studied in his free time. In 1836, he became a lawyer and was soon famous for his honesty and courage. At the age of 52, he was elected the 16th President of the United States of America. While he was president, he guided his country through the American Civil War and stopped slavery. As he promised, "This nation shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth." On the 14th of April, 1865, John Wilkes Booth shot him while he was at a theater. He died the next day. Abraham Lincoln was more than just a great leader and a great speaker. He wanted to make life better for everyone. His statue sits in the Lincoln Memorial, and to this day, people visit it to admire Honest Abe.
If you're ready, let's check. Number 1, 1809. Number 2, 19. Number 3, 1836. Number 4, the age of 52. Number 5, on 14th April. Number 6, the next day. And number 7, to this day. Nice job, children. Dear students, before reading the biography of Abraham Lincoln, let's learn some new words. Listen and read the definitions. Number 1, admire. To respect and approve of someone or their behavior. Number 2, courage. To be brave and confident enough to do what you believe in. Number 3, guide. To show someone how to do something difficult. Number 4, honesty. The quality of being honest. Number 5, lawyer. Someone whose job is to give advice to people about the law and speak for them in court. Number 6, statue. An object made from a hard material, especially stone or metal, to look like a person. Dear students, it's time to check how attentive you are. Your task is to list these events in chronological order. But before, please remember, writing biographies. When we write biographies, we present the events in chronological order. This helps the reader follow the biography better. You have some time to do the task. If you are ready, let's check. Number 1. Born in 1809. Number 2. Left the farm at 19. Number 3. Became a lawyer in 1836. Number 4. Elected president at the age of 52. Number 5. Shot on 14th April. Number 6. Died the next day. And the last, remember him this day. Nice job, children. Dear students, let's listen to the biography of Dr. Abubakarov. And the task is to listen and fill in the gaps.
Tokhtar Abubakarov, the first Kazakh person to ever go into space, was born in 1946 in the Karaganda region of Kazakhstan. Tokhtar didn't have an easy start in life. He left school at the age of 13 and started working in a metal factory. But that did not stop him. He decided to take classes after work. Eventually, he was ready to take the exams to enter the Air Force. He did really well in his exams, and in 1965, he joined the Armavir Military Aviation Institute. Tokhtar flew as a pilot in the Soviet Air Force until 1976, when he became a test pilot and started testing planes. Between 1976 and 1991, he tested over 50 types of aircraft. On the 2nd of October 1991, he went into space with Russian Alexander Volkov and Austrian Franz Wehrbock and became the first Kazakh ever in space. They spent 8 days in space. When they returned, Tokhtar was a national hero. In 1993, he became the director of the National Aerospace Agency of Kazakhstan, Kazkosmos. Many people admire Tokhtar and consider him to be a great Kazakh hero.
If you're ready, let's check. So, number 1, Karaganda. Number 2, 13. Number 3, metal factory. Number 4, 1965. Number 5, pilot. Number 6, 50. Number 7, space. And number 8, 1993. Nice job, children. Dear students, now it's time to learn how to write biographies. But before, let's remember what biography is. A biography is a true story of a real person's life from the past or present. A biography includes interesting facts about a person's life. Now let's learn what are the elements of biography. They are birthplace and date, family members, childhood and school life, hobbies, interests and activities, career, reason for fame. These all are the elements of biography. So, dear students, do you want to write a biography? Let's get started. Here you can see how to start a biography. First, you need to choose a person. Then, research by reading books and using the internet. Next, write notes, acts about the person's life. Next, write paragraphs, opening and closing. And the last, organize facts into groups. Dear students, let's try to write a biography. Here you can see some facts about Dr. Aubakirov. Now let's listen to his biography.
Tokhtar Aubakirov was born in 1946 in the Karaganda region of Kazakhstan. At the age of 13, he left school and started working in a metal factory. He entered the Air Force in 1965. In 1976, he became a test pilot. Tokhtar tested over 50 types of aircraft, and he was the first Kazakh to go into space. In 1993, he became the director of the Kazkosmos. To this day, people consider him a hero. Aubakirov worked hard to succeed, and he is an inspiration to many people.
Well done, children. So, dear students, today we have learned new vocabulary, the elements of biography, and how to write a biography. You did a good job. Goodbye.